Hey guys, it's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this glitter effect. You've probably seen it all over Instagram, and it's actually super easy to do. So I use this app called Meitu, I think is how you pronounce it. Alright, so once you have your photo open, you're going to go over here to Mosaic. Hello. They have a bunch of free textures that you can add. And I'm going to be using this one. And I'm using this little pen. It kind of helps with precision. You don't have to use one. I'm just going to draw in the area that you want glitterified. Okay, so now I'm just going to erase the parts I went over. And voila. Okay, so the second method is this app Union. And you're gonna open your photo as the background layer, and the foreground is gonna be a glitter texture. So you actually wanna download a glitter texture first. And I'll leave links to those down below. And then again, you're gonna resize the glitter to fit the area that you want to cover, which is gonna be my whole bikini. And then go over to mask. And I normally just like to erase the whole thing and then fill in the parts that I want to glitify. This part doesn't have to be as precise as the other app because I'll show you why in a second. Okay, that's good enough. And then go to your foreground layer. And the reason that I personally like this app over the other one is because you can change the blend mode of the glitter texture. So if you just go through, you'll see that lighten actually shows the color of the top through the glitter. And then the glitter sticks to the black, so my bottoms are full glitter. And you can just go to the mask layer again and refine the lines. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps support my channel. And I'll see you next time. Okay, you can stay. Because you're cute. Say hello. You cute?